In a sunlit village, a coach guides a group toward natural weight loss through daily habits and mindful choices. They swap processed snacks for colorful vegetables, drink water before meals, and walk routes that reveal local scenery. Evening stretches replace screens, while sleep routines dip the lights and raise the odds of steady, lasting progress. Small challenges build confidence as participants track steps, portions, and mood, discovering sustainable wins beyond scale numbers. By embracing nature, patience, and daily consistency, they rewrite fitness as a joyful journey rather than a race.